Hi, I'm Nuribi from BizLink Robotic Solution. Predictive maintenance sounds great in theory, but we hear the same concern again and again. Like it's too complex to set up, or it probably takes a long time to show value. These are all valid questions, but they're based on outdated assumptions. careDP keeps installation simple and scalable. No need to connect your internal factory. Data is transmitted securely over LTE, so your IT infrastructure stays untouched. Powered by Microsoft Azure, careDP ensures reliable cloud connectivity, strong data protection, and easy system expansion. It is fully retrofit ready for existing Alice H3 and Delta systems, and the AI learns motion patterns automatically with no custom programming required. And what's more, the return on investment is very measurable. You prevent downtime, reduce emergency repairs, and expand the life of your equipment. So, no, predictive maintenance doesn't have to be complex, disruptive, or high risk. What's the biggest hesitation you've heard about going predictive? Drop in the comments.